Conditional sentences rules. What's the conditional in English? We use the conditional in English to talk about something that might happen if something else were to happen. It can be a possibility, real or imaginary. If I have enough money, I will go to Japan. To make a conditional sentence in English, you must use if. How to form the conditional in English? There are 4 types of conditionals in English. The zero conditional. Both parts of the sentence are at the present simple. If plus simple present plus simple present. It is often used to tell general truths. If you heat ice, it melts. If you mix red and yellow, you get orange. It is also used to give instructions with the imperative in the second part of the sentence. If Paul phones, tell him to meet me at the bar. If you're not sure what to do, ask Kevin.